going to show you about this Dyson vacuum by casdon. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow, there's a little instruction book. We got this big wand, and we got this Dyson vacuum. And let's close container first. And something else is inside. So let's open another. Here's the carpeting floor nozzle. That's everything. Just a double. Put that in the floor. We got this Dyson vacuum, and let's clip the. We clip the crevice tool onto there and connect the big one. You can put the crevice tool onto the one as well. And of course, if you want to clean your carpet and floors, you attach this carpet and floor nozzle as well. So let's get the dirt out. There's a button here. So I press it. I hope. Oh, it's in the middle. So let's take off the accessories. It needs batteries. So it's in this compartment. Can you get the screwdriver and put the batteries in? Let's try using the crevice nozzle, and let's put this one here so we can clean it up with this compartment. Okay, let's try. Going in the middle. Let's try using the soup. let's clean. Are you ready? It's my time to shine. It won't work. Let's try using the crevice nozzle and see if it can pick it all up. Let's open it up. It can't make any mess. Oh dear! All over the floor. That's pretty good, Dyson, because you made a mess. I can't do that. Dyson, you being so silly. I can do. Oh dear! There's one in the crevice nozzle as well. Look, it shakes. There's a button here, so can I press it? I hope it didn't make too much of a mess. Oopsies! Ha! There's how to find more. Let me try. That's the end of my little Dyson vacuum. If you like watching the video, just please subscribe and ring the notification bell. Bye!